เข้า
I'll lie.
ผัว
I'll
ก็ท
lie. I want them all of them.
Did you get
What's
the
going on
thing?
here? What's happening? I heard you went to Dwayne
ำ
Mountain.
ไอ้นี่คอร์ด
Almost fell down the mountain. Did I not tell you? Don't go to Dwayne Mountain for no reason. The terrain there is complex. There are wild animals roaming around. Dad, I know I was wrong. All right, if the child knows she's wrong, don't scold her. Luckily, there was a passerby young man who saved her. Otherwise, the consequences would be unthinkable. The boy who saved you. We must go thank him in person. I was scared at that time. I forgot to ask. What does that mean? You don't even know their name. Find. Bring Xiaoya and Xiaoqing with you. In any case, find the person for me. A basket of crabs sells for 10 yuan. Equivalent to 2024. Purchasing power of 1,000 yuan. Ah, Skit. In the future, my mom and my sister. Ah, Skit. Live a good life. Xiaoyi. Rice. Brother. Look. What did brother bring back? Pork. Rice. Mom. Brother brought back pork. Janfeng. Where did you get these things from? You just started working at the chemical plant. Worked for a week. Got paid so quickly. This is what I bought. Stinky kid. What have you been doing in the factory these days? Director Wang is looking for you everywhere. You spendthrift. Even bought rice and pork. Really think of yourself as a rich landlord. There are still debts at
เก่ง
home.
พอปะ
Tianhao's university expenses, travel expenses, living expenses have not been settled yet. Yet you spend such a large sum of money. Don't want to live a life anymore. Money I earn myself. I'll spend it however I want. Pa, your work in the factory. Or Tianhao. It was arranged by a classmate's father for you. A job. You've been working for a week. Chen Ti. The salary has been paid. He went to the factory last week. Worked for 2 days. He even broke the equipment in the factory. I punished him to take a break. How could he still have a salary? It was already broken. You're deliberately messing with me. You, Uncle Jeshuan, you say, is it possible that they are hiding money from you? Did you hide money from me? I didn't. You haven't given me money for so many years. Where would I hide money? Still not telling me the truth. You think I dare not hit you? Dad, that money originally belonged to my brother. He exchanged it for crabs yesterday. Crabs. Dogs don't even eat that stuff. Could exchange for so many things. Do you think they're so easy to deceive? Looks like I need to teach you a lesson. You don't know how capable I am. Stop it. Out. You little rascal. You really dare to hate your father? Since you choose to believe outsiders. No one believes in their own wife and children. Then what are we living for? We might as well separate. Have you been with them? I have taken my mom and sister out. If you dare to separate, I will break your leg.